My friend Jason had an interesting question, I think a really smart one. He said, Shem, what's the number one regret you hear from people who've bought an awning? What do they wish they'd done different? And I didn't have to think about it even half a second. I know exactly what that number one regret is. It's this, that most people wish that they'd taken more time to really understand the differences in the manufacturing, the materials that are used for the various types of awnings, the methods of installation, and perhaps most importantly, the operation, the function of the awning. Something we see all the time is people have a 12-foot door, so they order a 14-foot awning, they put the chairs right in front of the door. That's how it makes sense. I'm not criticizing. Then they get the awning in, and because of the angle of the sun, the door's exposed to the sun because the sun comes in underneath the awning at certain times of the day. And one of the people sitting there is in the sun, the other person's in the shade. So they end up having to move the furniture over to where the shade is, which is sometimes possible, sometimes not. Sometimes the deck ends there. So not taking the time to truly understand where the shade is going to be is a part of that major regret. My recommendation is that you slow down to go fast. That's one of our sayings at the Home Living Company. Slow down to go fast. We're going to take the time to ask you a lot of questions about how you want to use your outdoor space. Who's going to use your outdoor space? Is it just you, or is it your family, your grandkids, your friends? We want to know how many people are going to be there. We want to make sure that before we take your money, we have the right solution for you. You know, another one of our sayings is, if you don't have time to do it right, when will you have time to do it again? We can modify that for money. If you don't have the money to do it right, when will you have the money to do it again? So we recommend that you slow down to go fast. You know, it all comes down to this is a room in your house now. This outdoor space is more and more important to people, that they have a place where they can spend more time with the people that they love. And they want to be outdoors. They don't want to be cooped up inside the house all the time. An awning is the most affordable way to accomplish that. But it's only a good investment if it does the job that you have in mind for it. So we offer a complimentary consultation so that you can be sure that the awning is going to do the job you want it to. We're going to ask you a lot of questions. We're going to slow down to go fast. Then when you place your order, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that when the awning comes in and it's installed, you're getting exactly what you expect.